So next question is, what is difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA? The latest question. So trending question. Everyone S4 HANA is telling the difference. I wanted to explain. So in our implementation also many times the difference also I spoke with you many times. Okay. So T codes, the changes, whatever the latest changes, I told you. Okay. Now in this session, I'm going to explain what is difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA. So currently interview question. Okay. Answer. The main difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA is that ECC is the core ERP within the SAP business suite. Okay. Whereas HANA is a cloud friendly in memory database. In memory database. Designed to handle transactions and analytics on one system. Okay. Geeta, please read till here. What is the difference between SAP?
What is the difference between SAP ECC and S4HANA? The main difference between SAP ECC and S4HANA is that ECC is the core ERP product within the SAP business suite, whereas HANA is a cloud-friendly in-memory database designed to handle transactions and analytics on one system.
Okay. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. Initially I spoke with you. So the main difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA is that ECC is the core ERP product within the SAP business unit. So ECC is the core ERP product within the SAP business suite. Whereas HANA is a cloud friendly. In memory database design in memory database. You understand? It is a database in a memory database designed to handle transactions and analytics on one system. Okay. Next. But then what is the difference between SAP HANA and ERP? Over time, HANA has developed into the all-in-one database which serves as a platform for enterprise. enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning, ERP software. Okay, here you understand. But then what is the difference between SAP HANA and ERP? Over time, HANA has developed into all-in-one database which serves a platform for enterprise resource planning. Okay, so SAP S4 HANA difference and SAP HANA. SAP HANA is little bit different, the sounds. Okay, next we'll cover all this database. ECC. ECC third party. Third party database. Example, Oracle, IBM, etc. So you mean database, see, someone need to maintain, right, database. So in ECC, third party database used. Okay. So whatever you are storing all the transactions used to store in third party database like Oracle, IBM, etc. Okay. Whereas SAP HANA, I mean S4 HANA, it stores in SAP HANA. The database stores in SAP HANA. Okay, you don't get confused. S4 HANA, all the transactions will store in SAP HANA. Okay, next. A merger of controlling CO and finance. FAGL accounts are mapped to CO. Primary cost elements. So primary cost elementing we covered, right? So FAGL accounts are mapped to CO primary cost elements. We mapped there. Remember, we have created cost element accounting through mapping. So FAGL accounts are mapped to CO primary cost elements. Now, universal journal stores both GL accounts and cost element. New general ledger. Choice of classic GL structure or the new GL structure. Here S/4HANA uses only new GL. Next difference, customer versus vendor. Customer versus vendor to business partner. Separated separate customer and vendor masters here. Separated customer and vendor files. Here business partners. You remember what is the T code for business partner? BP. You remember BP? I shown you the difference also. Business partner in S/4HANA. So next rebates, the difference. SD rebate processing, you are understanding, right? So after class, please remind me. I'll share with you every day this material, so you can read, or else you will not forget. You will not remember. You need to remember. Okay. Settlement management, through condition contracts. Settlement management through condition contracts. With many companies now having to plan the transformation to S/4HANA. Okay, what are the main difference between SAP HANA versus ECP? What is the main difference between SAP S/4HANA and ECC? So already explained in database, the same. ECC supports database from other providers such as DB2, Oracle, or Infomine. However, S4HANA only runs on SAP HANA. S4HANA only runs on SAP HANA. As a result, S4HANA has much faster reaction time. Okay, as a result, S4HANA has much faster. Okay, much faster reaction times. Okay, thanks to its in-memory database. Okay, so simple. You are the difference database. ECC supports database from other providers such as third-party vendors. Excuse me. Third-party vendors such as DB2. I noted here DB3. Where is DB2? It's DB2. DB2, Oracle, Inform or Infomine. Okay. However, S4 HANA only runs on SAP HANA. So you don't get confused. S4 HANA only runs on SAP HANA. Okay. So S4 HANA uses our only runs on SAP HANA database. Okay. See here also database clearly mentioned S4 HANA. So I did not by mistakenly you don't think that I mistakenly SAP HANA S4 HANA I mentioned. Okay. S4 HANA only runs on SAP HANA database. Okay, you think like that. You try to understand. Okay, next, as a result, S4 HANA has much faster reaction times thanks to its in-memory database. We need to say thanks to our database. Okay, next difference. A merger of controlling rate, a merger of controlling CO and finance FI. See, even most of the companies still using ECC. So you must know the ECC. So the S4 HANA. So nowadays still only knowledge is sufficient. Whatever I'm explaining, this knowledge is sufficient. So in coming days, future, they may ask 1 or 2 years experience also. But whereas whatever you learnt ECC, that is sufficient. So if they ask in interview also, so you know about S4 HANA, and yes, I have good knowledge S4 HANA. So they will immediately they ask this question. So okay, what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA? That time you need to tell this database. Okay, a merger of controlling, new general ledger accounting, customer versus vendor to business partner. So at least database you try to explain customer versus vendor master, because many times I spoke with you the database and customer versus vendor to the business partner, the difference. Okay, at least now I am giving the information, so you can read and you can study many times. Okay, you can explain. So next second. Pooja and Geet, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, a measure of controlling CO and FA. When it comes to the measure of controlling, even my project also, we are working in ECC only. So wherever implementing new companies, they will use S4HANA, but the screens and everything the same. Even I have the access also. If there is any chance, I'll show you the system also. Okay. Okay, a measure of controlling and finance. When it comes to the measure of controlling CO and finance, S4HANA, SAP S4HANA, S4HANA structure of universal journal, universal journals stores, both the GL account and the cost element. The cost element. Next, versus ECC with the FIGL accounts map to CO primary account, CO primary cost element. New general ledger. S4HANA also only use the new general ledger. It means GL, general ledger accounting, while ECC ran both new and classic versions. So these are the interview questions. Next, the customer versus vendor business partner. In ECC, customer and vendor Files were separate. While S4HANA, while S4HANA combines common data, common data structure, common data structure, elements of both into a business partner, BP. Okay, T code, remember BP. 2 lines only, I mean. So these two, what we call, only 2 letters, BP. Okay. Next, rebates. S4HANA has replaced the SD rebate processing. SD rebate processing in ECC with settlement management through condition contracts. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, anyone can please read it. Pooja, Geeta, please read it, anyone.
Yes. What is difference between SAP ECC and S/4HANA? The main difference between SAP ECC and S/4HANA is that ECC is the core ERP product within the SAP business suite, whereas HANA is a cloud-friendly in-memory database designed to handle transactions and analytics on one system. But then, what is the difference between SAP HANA and ERP? Over time, HANA has developed into the all-on-one database which serves as a platform for enterprise resource planning software. That ECC, ERP, and S/4HANA database, third-party database, Oracle, IBM, etc. SAP HANA, a merge of controlling CO and finance FI. FIGL accounts are mapped to CO primarily cost elements. Universal Journal stores both GL accounts and cost element. New, new General Ledger GL. Choice of classic GL structure or the new GL structure. Uses only the new GL. Customer versus vendor to business partner. Separated customer and vendor files. Business partner record. Rebates. SD rebate processing. Settlement management through condition contracts. With many companies now having to plan the transformation to S/4HANA, what are the main difference between SAP, S/4HANA and ECC? A. Database. ECC supports database from other providers such as DB2, Oracle, or Informant. However, S/4HANA only runs on SAP HANA. As a result, S/4HANA has much faster reaction times thanks to its in-memory database. B. A merge of controlling and finance. With it comes to the merger of controlling CO and finance. FI SAP S/4HANA structure of universal general stores, both the GL accounts and the cost element versus ECC, where the FI GL accounts are mapped to CO primary cost elements. New ledger, new general ledger. S/4HANA also only used the new general ledger, while ECC ran both new and classic versions. Customer versus vendor to business partner. In ECC, customer and vendor files were separate, while S/4HANA combines the common data structure elements of both into a business partner record. Rebates. S/4HANA has replaced the SD rebate processing in ECC with settlement management through condition contracts.
Pooja, please read it.
What is different between SAP ECC and S/4HANA? The main difference between SAP ECC and S/4HANA is that ECC is the core ERP product within the SAP business suite, whereas HANA is a cloud-friendly in-memory that database designed to handle transaction and analytic on one system. But then what is the difference between S/4HANA, SAP HANA and ERP? Over time, HANA has developed into the all-in-one database which serves as a platform for enterprise resource planning ERP software.
Yeah, please.
And
Please.
with many campaign uh, companies now having to plan the transformation to S/4HANA. What are the main difference between SAP, S/4HANA and ECC? A. Database. ECC supports database from other providers such as DB2, Oracle, or Informine. However, S/4HANA only runs on SAP HANA. As a result, S/4HANA has much faster reaction times thanks to its in-memory database. B. A measure of controlling and finance. When it comes to the measure of controlling CO and finance FI, SAP S/4HANA structure of universal general store, both the GL account and the cost element. What is ECC, where the FI general account are mapped to CO primary cost elements.
Yeah.
C. New General Ledger. S/4HANA also only use the New General Ledger, will ECC run both new and classic version. D. Customer versus vendor to business partner. In ECC, customer and vendor files were separate, will S/4HANA combines the common data structure elements of both into a business partner record. E. Rebates. S/4HANA has replaced the SD rebate processing in ECC with settlement management through condition contracts.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are able to tell Okay, we have 3 more minutes. We'll try to cover. So this one completed. Next, new GL accounting. So here, the advantages, the objectives, parallel accounting system, parallel accounting system, profit center, and segment reporting. Profit center and segment reporting. Next, document type with entry view and GL view. Document splitting. Document splitting. FICO, real-time integration. Extended data structure. Extended data structure with FAGL, FL, EXT table. GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment. Debit is equal GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Okay. Multi-dimensional reports. Local gap as per Companies Act. Companies Act 2000.